So, yung SCQA, Problem Solving Framework. So, yung S is situation, C is complication, Q is yung question, at yung A is yung answer. So, yung mga problems, lahat ng problems at mga causes nila, meron itong apat na to. Yung current state ng problem, kung gaano siya kagrabe, yung questions is bakit nangyari, at kung ano yung possible solutions doon. So, nandun na lahat. So, kahapon kasi is yung mutually exclusive at saka collectively exhaustive. So, sinosolve mo siya na hindi siya nag-overlap. Then, yung pinagsama-samang solution ito, iba. Tinitignan mo yung, binibreakdown mo yung problema based sa situation, sa complication, sa mga possible root causes, at kung ano yung mga possible solutions. So, binibreakdown mo yung problem into 4 based on that. Yung sa SCQA. So, yun lang po.